You are watching a quick how-to video on how to create drop-down lists in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. If you watched the first video, you already have your spreadsheet created. Now, the fun stuff. Let's create drop-down lists. Drop-down lists provide predetermined responses so we can have consistent information throughout our form. Cell C3 and C6 is where we will create our drop-down lists. The cleanest way to do this is to put the drop-down information in its own space. So let's create a new worksheet by clicking the plus sign next to Status Report at the bottom. Double-click Sheet 2 and rename the tab Drop-Down Info. Now enter the column headers for your drop-down info. Type shifts in cell A1. Skip a column. Type status in cell C1. Now enter the values you want for shifts and status. In this example for shifts I will use first, swing, third, and graveyard. You use the actual names. For the next drop-down, status, enter the different statuses for the boilers. In this example, I used online, offline, ready, off, online, and not ready. Now, go back to the Status Report tab and select cell C3. Click on Data in the menu system. Now look for Data Tools and click on the Data Validation button. If you don't see the Data menu or Data Tools, you may have to customize your toolbar to make it available to you. With the Data Validation dialog box open, you should be on the Settings tab. Under Validation Criteria you should see the Allow drop-down list. Select a list from the list of values. Now click in the field under the word source. Click on the Drop-Down Info tab. Under the Shifts column, select the first value, hold down the left button until you get to the cell below the last value. Let go the mouse button. The selected range is now in the source field in the dialog box. Click OK. Congratulations! You just created your first dialog box. Select the down arrow to see the list of values. Try changing the values. I know, fun, right? Select cell C6, Data from the menu system, then from Data Tools, select the Data Validation button. In the Data Validation box, on the Settings tab, under Allow, select List from the list of values. Now, click in the source field. Then click the Drop-Down Info tab and select the first value under Status. Hold down the left mouse button until you get to the last value and let go the mouse button. Click OK. You've created your second drop-down. You go, boy. Now to get the drop-down into other fields. I am going to show you the copy and paste method. Select the cell containing the drop-down you need. Right-click the cell and choose Copy. Select or highlight the other fields where you want the drop-down. Since you've already copied the drop-down to the imaginary clipboard, right-click and choose Paste. That's it. You did it.